Today I will be showing you the most powerful exercise, that very move which has been practiced for thousands of years to help women flatten their lower belly naturally. This one simple move is very easy, absolutely effective, no crunches, no gym, no equipment needed, can be done just sitting on a chair. By the end of this video, you'll not only learn this very powerful exercise, but also some secret tips and tricks which I will be sharing with you to finally get rid of your lower belly fat. If you've tried crunches, planks, strict diets, I know what the struggle is because I have been in that position to try and lose my lower belly fat. Once upon a time when I was really overweight, I know how difficult it is not being able to do rigorous exercises, but yet you want the results. This very secret move, 1,000 years old, is going to help you. So this stubborn lower belly fat actually has many factors contributing to it, whether it is your hormonal imbalance, whether it is your stress and anxiety. Nowadays, everybody is facing that issue. Whether it is your wrong eating habits or whether it is your slow metabolism or bad digestion, everything contributes to the stubborn lower belly fat, which just comes around that very area where you have to tie or you have to zip up your jeans and always end up buying one size bigger. Friends, most of the workouts that you do only work and concentrate on the outer muscles, but this very one simple powerful move which I'm going to share with you has been practiced for over 1,000 years in India, and it actually works on the muscles inside out, and it's going to give you amazing results. I'll tell you how. This ancient science has been practiced over 1,000 years by yogis in India. The only thing it works on, it fires up your digestion, it detoxifies your body, and it also works on the stubborn belly fat. The best part about this exercise, it also brings a natural flush and glow to your face. The best part about this exercise is that it works in women of all ages, and you can do it too, no matter what your fitness level is. So what is the magical exercise? Before we move further, it's time to take a vow that you vow to affirm, build in self-confidence that yes, you will do this exercise every single day for just 5 minutes. For this affirmation, all you have to write in the comment section below is, yes, I want to get rid of my lower belly. This ancient belly fat exercise, practiced thousands of years ago since the time of yoga, is called pranayam. This is Kapalbhati pranayam, which literally translates to shining skull breath. I would also like to call it the breathe out fire, or as you know, the fire in your belly is going to help your digestion and burn all the fat away. This easy ancient science of yoga called Kapalbhati has been practiced since ancient times. The original method of doing this very exercise, pranayam, is the best way to sit on a floor and sit with your legs folded. But for whatever reason, I know when I was overweight, it was very difficult for me to sit like this. So you can actually sit on a chair, but follow the same procedure that I'm following while sitting on the floor. You will be surprised how the science with just regularizing your breath can actually melt your belly fat. This is a scientifically proven method. The only thing you have to actually concentrate on while doing this very pranayam is on breathing out. Breathing in is a very natural method for all human beings. You don't have to do that. So what I'm trying to tell you is the moment you start pumping out the carbon dioxide of your body, because you're only breathing out, breathing in will happen naturally, then your body will start building up that ignition, and with the fire in your belly, trust me, your digestion will be faster than anybody's. And if you do this practice just 5 minutes every day, you're sure to see results. Now let me show you how this works. So the easiest way to master this exercise is that you have to sit with your hands on your knees, and you have to sit with this mudra. This is known as a mudra in yoga, where you have to touch your thumb with your index finger, close it like this, and the other 3 fingers will be independent of each other, and lay it on your knee. With both the hands put like this, help you relax. Now the only thing you have to concentrate on is breathing out with your mouth closed. You have to breathe out from your nostrils with whatever pressure you can build within. Please see. Now it's a natural procedure. The moment you breathe out, your belly will come in, and these very reverberations along your abdominal area will help give you the same strength, the same tightening and the same toning that actually a lot of planks, core exercises give you. But just sitting in this position, you can master it. So I'm going to do about 10 counts for you right now, and then we'll build it up to slowly 30 counts. And in between, we will be taking a rest for 10 seconds. Let's do it together. Ten counts done. Let's relax for 10 seconds. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let's do 30 counts together. Well done. I'm so proud of you. The best time to do this exercise is early in the morning on an empty stomach. I've taught you 1 round with 30 pumps. I suggest you start with at least 3 rounds and complete 3 reps of this very pranayama. Although this exercise is extremely effective, there are some contraindications. For people who should avoid this exercise includes pregnant ladies, those who've just undergone any sort of surgery, and those people who have high blood pressure. You don't need fancy equipment or spending hours in the gym to get rid of your belly fat. This is such an easy and natural way to finally achieve your dream waist size and especially get rid of the stubborn belly fat. Now it's time for the bonus tips which I had promised you in the beginning of the video. The first tip is to start your day with lukewarm lemon water. It helps detoxify the body, and so will this very exercise. 30 minutes after consuming lemon water is the perfect time to do this exercise on an empty stomach. If you're looking to join a paid weight loss customized program which is tailor-made according to your needs, your preferences, your likes, your dislikes, and your daily routine, then what is keeping you away from it? All you have to do is click on the link given below in the description and you can contact me. Along with my team, I shall leave no stone unturned to give you the transformation results which many have achieved with my very program. Your flat belly challenge begins now. Powerfully and naturally with this very exercise, all you have to do is come every single day when you have finished this exercise and write the day, for example, day 1 and a tick. So I know that you've been doing it every day and for how many days. All the best.